Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to insert line in WPS Office. So there are really simple methods that I recommend you to know. First method is based on insert tab. So we need to go to insert tab, then we need to go to shapes, and here we need to select first one option. It is lines, we need to click on it, then we need to press and hold shift from our keyboard, and we will be able to draw here a straight line. For example, this one line. Now I recommend you to click on shape outline, and here you can select the color for the line. For example, I select here maybe green color, so I click on it, and how you see color has been successfully changed. Of course we can modify the shape style. We can click on it, and for example we can select here maybe dash line or maybe solid line or maybe dot line. Everything depends on your preferences. So for example I select here solid line, and how you see line has been successfully inserted here. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut from our keyboard. You can type here 3 times -char, and then you need to press enter from your keyboard. After that, line will be successfully inserted here. The other method is type here =sign 3 times and press enter, then you will get this one effect. Or you can type 3 times char with snow or star, so I'm going to do it now, and then I press enter. After that you will get this line with this style, and you can try to use end char. We can type it 3 times and we can press enter, then you will get this one style. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.